third group from Computer Network Engineering and Telecommunications second class. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Riska.
My name is Nurbaiti Aqmali.
My name is Syauqi.
So, here we will explain the meaning of access point and how to do it. Network cannot be connected in the absence of connector or media to connect the network. An access point is one of the media to connect a network so that it can be connected, either using a UTP cable or via a Wi-Fi network. Many of the Wi-Fi users do not know what Wi-Fi really is and how to set up the access point. So the problem is, what is an access point and how to set up an access point?
1. Definition. Definition of access point. An access point is a network device that contains a transceiver and antenna for transmitting and receiving signal to and from remote client. An access point is a device such as a wireless router that allows wireless device to connect to a network. An access point, a computer network, is a wireless access point. Wireless access point, or AP, is a wireless communication device that allows device to connect to a wireless network using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or related standard. Access point is a device used to make wireless connection on a network. 2. Procedure text. How it works. Access point. To communicate to or more computer in infrastructure mode. A computer that will be connected to a wireless network must have a wireless adapter, or for laptop, have Wi-Fi and access point facilities. Access point with a router inside function or acts the same as a switch or hook. To set up this wireless router, you can use the software that is already available in the package, or you can use a web browser. Using a web browser is generally easier and more practical. How the access point works. Place the access point in the optimal place, usually in the center of the center and line of sight, with PCs and wireless accessories, adapter, and routers. Connect the AC power adapter to the access point power socket. Connect the end of the strike UTP cable to the access point internet and the other end of the cable to the switch or hook. If the access point has been used before, reset it first by pressing the reset button on the back of the access point for 30 seconds using a paperclip or baseball point. Turn on the laptop Wi-Fi and refresh the wireless network connection. Make sure there is already a Wi-Fi signal from our access point. Connect the laptop to the Wi-Fi signal. Usually, if it doesn't say default, it must be the brand of the access point, for example, Linksys. Types of access point. There are two types of AP, namely indoor AP and outdoor AP. A. Indoor or internal access point, namely APs that are used or placed in the room. B. Outdoor or external access point is an AP that is used or placed outside the room. Purpose of access point: as a hub or switch that acts to connect local network with a wireless or wireless network. It is at this access point that data or internet connection are transmitted or sent via radio waves. The size of the signal strength also affects the coverage area to be reached. The greater the signal strength, the size is in unit of dBm or MW, the wider the range.
I will explain and practice the configuration of the access point. Without further ado, I explain step by step how it works. Detailing access point configuration step. One step, detailing CPE110 is an outdoor access point device that has an internal antenna with power of 23 dBi and can emit a frequency of 5 GHz. Step 2. Prepare to TP-Link CPE 610 device. The first device a access point and the second AS client and plug the power or adapter into the power source. Connect the phone to the application and the LAN to the PC or user device. 3. Next, change the IP address of the PC according to the IP of the device. Step 4. Open Chrome, Firefox, or Safari browser. Step 5. Enter the IP address with the address 192.168.0.254. This is the default IP address on TP-Link Outdoor CPE 610. Step 6. Even though there will be a warning, your connection is not private. It does matter. Choose Proget to 192.168.0.254 UNSEP. Step 7. Next, you will be asked to fill in the username admin, password admin, and for the country, select the appropriate one the language. Step 8. The process to create a new user and password for the security factor. Step 9. Goes quick setup. Step 10. Select access point, press the next button. Step 11. Fill in the IP address with the address 192.168.1.98. Step 12. You continue by filling in the name of the Wi-Fi or hotspot. Step 30. Let's continue to install and configuration the silent. Make the installation or as shown below in the picture below. For this installation is also actually the same as the previous installation. Step 40. We can check for IP internet access whether it has a thread or not. If there is no need to connect or connect. Need to be connected or connect. Step 60. Like the preview, click Proget 192.168.0.256. 254. Kok 256 ya? Step 60. Like the previous, click Proget 192.168.0.254. Step 70. You will be asked to fill in the username again until the language then. Username and now password. Step 80. Cause operation mode silent. Step 90. Continue to quick setup select client mode. Step 20. For silent give IP address 192.168.1.99. Step 21. Next is the wireless silent configuration display. Click Share File. Next, step 22. Select the network that you have previously created. If you have pressed the Look to AP button. Step 23. Enter the same password as the internet or server access AP. Press Next. Step 24. The next step, we adjust the PC IP address to the app network. Step 25. Login to the first device of the internet access AP. Step 26. Login again. Step 27. Select status. We can check or monitor the network. It is throughput attached. Step 29. Login again with username and password. Last step 3T. Select star.